Remember to subscribe to my channel right now because I come out with videos every single day that will show you more natural health information you are looking for. Guava is very common in Asian countries but is increasingly available in the Western world, particularly as more of its health benefits are revealed. The fruit is round or pear-shaped with light green, yellow or maroon skin and white or maroon flesh that contains many small, hard edible seeds. It is soft when ripe with a sweet, musky aroma and creamy in texture. Apart from the distinctive flavor and fragrance, guava is actually a superfruit because of its numerous health-promoting qualities. Along with the fruit, the bark and leaves of guava trees also provide numerous health benefits. What makes guava special is that protecting the fruit does not require excessive use of chemical pesticides as in the case of grapes, apple, and other so-called ìexoticî fruits. It is one of the least chemically treated and sprayed fruits. Here are some of the surprising and brilliant health benefits of guava. 1. Controls diabetes. Chinese medicine has used guava for the treatment of diabetes for years. The rich fiber content and low glycemic index of guava are extremely beneficial for diabetic people. While fiber helps regulate sugar levels, the low glycemic index inhibits a sudden spike in sugar levels. Eating 1 to 2 guavas without the peel can be helpful in maintaining your blood sugar level. 2. Improves your immunity. Due to its high vitamin C content, guava plays an important role in improving your immunity. In addition, guava's anti-inflammatory action and its ability to inhibit inflammatory molecules like prostaglandins help keep you disease-free. Eat 1 guava daily to develop resistance against common diseases like coughs, colds and the flu. You can also enjoy guava in smoothies or salads, or drink a cup of tea made from guava leaves daily. 3. Improves heart health. According to a 1993 study, regular guava fruit intake can help decrease blood pressure and blood lipids. This is due to its higher potassium, vitamin C and soluble fiber content. Potassium helps maintain a steady heartbeat and control high blood pressure, while vitamin C keeps the small blood vessels healthy. In addition, the lycopene found in pink-fleshed guava helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease in people who eat this fruit on a regular basis. 4. Helps to lose weight. Guava is very helpful for those who want to lose weight. Guava, especially raw guava, has far less sugar as compared to apples, oranges, grapes, and other fruit. Adding a medium-sized guava to your lunch and you will not feel hungry again until the evening. This is probably due to its wealth of nutrients, which keep the metabolism regulated and helps to promote the proper absorption of nutrients. 5. Improves eyesight. Guavas are extremely good sources of vitamin A, which is well known as a booster for vision health. It can help slow down the appearance of cataracts, macular degeneration, and general health of the eyes. It can not only prevent degradation of eyesight, but even an improvement in eyesight once it has begun to degrade. 6. Improves oral health. The anti-plaque properties of guava leaves are effective in preventing and treating oral problems. Herbalists recommend the use of tender leaves of guava in paste form to maintain oral hygiene. The leaves have anti-inflammatory, analgesic and antimicrobial properties that help reduce gum inflammation and leave your breath fresh and clean. 7. Lowers risk of cancer. The anti-cancer or anti-tumor properties of guava come from the compounds like lycopene, quercetin, vitamin C and various polyphenols present in it. These compounds work as potent antioxidants that help neutralize free radical damage in the body, which can cause cancer. Researchers concluded that guava extract could help reduce the size of prostate tumors. In fact, regular intake of guava extract can help reduce the incidence of prostate cancer in men. Regular intake of guava can also help prevent other types of cancer, including breast, mouth, skin, stomach, colon and lung cancer. So I hope this helps you out. If you found some value on this video, give me a thumbs up.